make a piece of the loop here first. I cut the 0.8 millimeter wire 10 centimeter. It's 4 inch here. This one like this. Okay. Then fold it. Here. It's a loop here. This way. And when make this loop is used to hang it here to attach another piece. Here we can use the size of the wire 0.3 to 0.3 here. Wrap it first. Use the piece of the wire 0.3. We're going to tight and tight here first. This way. And we're going to separate them. Okay, here. Then we go to fold. Fold it a loop piece like this. Make it a piece of this one. Yeah. Here. Then we check the stone here. Can be covered here. No problem. The hole must be smaller than the stone. Okay. Make like a square shape. Then fold and fold. This way. And come this circle. The circle going to wrap it here first. And this is the way that's wrap here, but you need to be confirmed that the sides not so much tight, not so much loose here. Let me see. Hello, Positive Wesley. I wrap the wire here first. Yeah. This will be the side of okay, it's like here. This one, the circle. This way. Then we put the beads. Link the wire, the circle here, but need to be sure that the wire here you pull not too much tight. Yeah, and here I'm test the height of the stone. You need to test if here the distance here is okay. Here you see now it's a little bit too tight, so need to pull a little bit. Okay. This is the way that you are not make it too much position. Then this way. Okay, now here, and this one, the same here. Need to tight here. It's also this way. Yes, MAR, I sell the gold wire here. If you just want one size, the price is 2.5. If you want all sides, the price is 12.5. Yeah, you need to adjust it. Need to adjust it when you are put the stone in. That now we can stay. Yeah, here we start to wrap. From the tutorial, I'm not sure that I adjust the distance, but you need to adjust the distance of the stone with the circle. It's a very important step, but adjust I cannot show too much in the tutorial. Adjust the top is take the time here. So here now I put the side wire with the circle, but here and here this piece come. Hello, Carmen, happy to see you. Put the stone inside. here. Now it's almost okay for the stone inside here. Then here the side we go too tight. So the long time that take is to adjust the stone. Thank you. During the step that we wrap the wire, it's the stone also will be moved. Okay. Then here we tied the two wire together. Okay, then don't forget to wrap the wire. This design need a lot of patience. Is to move the stone, not always move, to position the stone inside the cover, not move. I think a wrap technique is not hard, just you need the patience to keep the stone nice. Yeah, too small. 6 millimeter. So the side is like this, the top is like this. Yeah, and here the important is the 1 2 3 4 4 wire to cover this cubic zircon stone inside it. Yeah, inside the circle and the base frame. Okay, so here if you want to attach the two together, this is the way. So here then you can make a lot piece and to link the piece one by one, and here is the same way I make it the piece like this. Then we can make another piece to link a lot, and make a bracelet here. This one simple technique, but just pinch into to position the stone, not like this. Yeah.